Wait 2 minutes. Wait 5 minutes. Wait 5 minutes. I have some screenshots. Okay. How real-time questions will be there? This is not comes exactly. Okay. Exactly, it will not comes. Okay, it will change automatically. Okay. What is Pengo web authentication? Okay, select two answers. One is this is the first answer, B is the answer, and D is the correct answer. Okay. Spengo allow user authentication even when they are not part of enterprise directory. This is not. This is B is the answer. B and yellow user encryption. This is B and C is the answers. Okay. After which statement is true about running WebSphere application server in public cloud? Public cloud means B is the answer. B answer B. Only IBM titles. Then only we can run the application server in the cloud. Answer is B. Okay. And what is the supported execution environment for Java Enterprise Client Application? Option D, Java Enterprise Edition Client Container. Okay. If you want to go to search in IBM site, you can search if you want. Okay. And in security WebSphere application server ND environment, an administrator issues stop node command without specifying any parameter. What will be the result? The node will be not stopped as username and password for the node agent are missing. This same question came in certification exam 9.0.5. Same question. Okay. Answer is C. What statement is true for WebSphere application server in a public cloud? Answer is B. Already soon. Right? Okay. What is the purpose of generate propagate plugin cfg.sh? It means this is the answer option. It is used to regenerate configuration file plugin configure.xml. Answer is A. A is the answer. What is the section of a .yaml file used to track WebSphere application server ND license in Kubernetes? This is answer is answer dot data annotations. Answer is D. An administrator needs to configure distributed session management for high availability in a cloud cluster environment. Which statement is true? This is configured in application server level. Okay, application server level there is. I will show you. Exactly, I will show you. In my console, LDAP is there, so I started Windows Server 2019. DMGR is stopped, I think. I will start my DMGR. And there is session and memory management and database memory management are there. We can go search application server under that session management is there. Okay. When one node is down, another node is up. That is nothing but memory management in session. OPT or even WebSphere app server profiles DMGR bin start manager.sh is the script. We can run in the DMGR bin and run this. Okay, pass mark is 70% is the pass mark. 70%. Otherwise, you cannot fail the examination. Last version 9.0 62%, 63% is a pass mark. Now they increase it 70%. All are Liberty Plus and Cloud Plus VAS in Kubernetes all are covered in VAS 9.0.5 version. It is very tough exam compared to version 9.0. But I certified version 9.0. 9.0.5 is very tough, not able to crack. But I tried, no, I failed. I got only 35%. 70% is the pass mark. performance tuning and configuration session and installation and all the things covered. Okay, performance tuning is the most important in the certification. I will show you after this how to register certification. I will show you. Only okay, 70% is the pass mark. Yeah, it is automatically changing the question. 1 to 1 is already changed. Suppose one person have one question, another person have changing the randomly changed the questions and answers. I observed this. Like MSET examination, same like this. IBM invented WAS 9.0.5. Very tough. They asked one question. Means there is a migration is happened. WAS 8 to 9. Some servers are not migrated. Some cells. In this situation, we can deploy the application or not. We cannot deploy the application. There is heterogeneous cell. It will be noted as heterogeneous cell. I will show you what is heterogeneous cell. That answer is correct. I inquired in a website. IBM website. Answer is correct. Okay. Now, suppose we are migrated WebSphere version 8.x to 9.x 9.0x means 0. Assume 0. I will make it as 0. I will make it as 0. In this scenario, some cells are migrated, some cells are not migrated. We can deploy application or not. Same thing I tried in my laptop. There is no possibilities are there. All are same version, same cells, same nodes, same ports will be there by using /pre-upgrade.sh and /post-upgrade.sh commands to migrate the one version to another version. This is the question asked. There is answer is heterogeneous nodes are not supported to deploy the application. Heterogeneous means suppose one server we can deploy, one version we can deploy. Both are some cells are same cell have DMZ cell have same version, then only we can deploy. Otherwise we cannot deploy the application. This is damn sure. We have verified in IBM site also. Okay. After this is the question asked at real time and certification question they asked it. Okay, configure an application server level. I will show you. But asked LDAP is which repository? LDAP, which repository LDAP comes? LDAP will becomes which repository? Which repository? There is answers. One is role based repository. Another one is file based repository. Another one is folder based repository. Fourth one is none of this. This is the question. Answer is option 2. Option 2, file based repository. You can verify clearly at the time of LDAP creation. There is, while creating the DHCP and LDAP, they create a file based repository. It clearly shows file based repository. This is answer 2. Okay. Each statement is true. WebSphere application server ND core group. Core group nothing but all servers in the core group is a same group. Okay. See, cluster administration should be create 2 groups. No, a cell doesn't have. No, each group have its own high availability manager and operates independently to other core groups. Okay. Answer is A. And which 2 statements of response file that is required to silent installation, and which silent installation when application server ND have, there is repository.xml file is there. You can use repository.xml file, and ASAP license is there. Both are is true. Option B and D. An administrator installed application server ND by using imcl command along with the option by using -ASAP license. How they verify successfully installed or not? By using post install.log. By using post install and look the result is the success or failure. Instacom success. I will show you in this. Logs. Post install.log. Vim post install.log. See, shift G. This is the result. This is the result. Instacom success is the result. Okay. This is the same thing he asked in the interview question. See, installed WebSphere application server ND by using imcl input log and log option. And how they verify successful installation by using post install.log instacom success. Okay. And JMS, same question is there. JMS deploy in a JMS application is deployed and WebSphere application server cluster is a failure to connect to service integration bus messaging engine that was running in remote cluster and received the following error. This is the error. Answer is connection proximity. Answer is D. Okay. And administration using WSAdmin install application. Which command will be provided with the list of steps will provide during the installation? // This is the answer. Answer is A. Admin app dot is app ready is the status. You can show get deployment status. All application related status will be shown in the app ready. Answer is A. An administrator want to recover an existing damaged node. Want to do what steps need to before they recover node page to replace? Means remove the damaged node via remove node.sh, use administrative console, or create a profile and replace damaged profile, use the same profile. Answer is A. Which utility to use a take backup in WebSphere application server ND configuration by using /backup config.sh? I will show you. I will show you this. How to take backup. By using profiles cd application server 1. Okay. /backup config.sh -no stop. -no stop is the command. It generate the report. All the configuration file will generate the zip file. If you want to restore config.sh, you can restore the configuration. Okay. restore the configurations. Okay, I will show you. Administrator. This is LDAP. LDAP only. I will show you. LDAP file based registry only. You can source. I will show end of the class. It is role based means LDAP after created, you can migrate a user, you can create the user, that is role based, but LDAP is by defaultly file based, file registry.xml, right? That is comes under file based authentication. That is the answer. Answer is file registry.xml is there, right? That is the answer. File based authentication. Okay. It will come. And this is the backup config. It will show. Okay. This is after this. Which option will restrict the head and trace HTTP method, hypertext transfer protocol method for web application deployed in WebSphere application server ND by using head trace setting web container custom property? This is the answer is A. Behavior and default trace request be answer is A. 1 minute, I will show you. 1 minute. Yes, answer is A. Which statement is true regarding performance monitoring infrastructure service? It provides useful trace enable default. No. Production trace by default to false. This is answer. It has all values is disabled by default, and they are only enabled by developers APIs. Based on that, we can enable performance. Which statement is true about manage profiles.sh command? It's only used to create and delete the profiles. Okay, I will show you how to create and delete the profiles or not. I will. Answer is option D. See, it's not every profile. It create log in every profiles. Yes, this is also true. Every profiles it will create log. That also is true. Option is true. Maybe these are this. I also don't know this. I will show you. There is two options correct, but which option is, I will show you. CD logs manage profiles. Under this, every profile have default log is available. See, this is the option C. Option C is create and delete. Okay, and if it create log for every profile that it creates. See, every profile I have 3 profiles: app server 1, app server 2, and DMGR and custom profile. Every profile have default log is generated. This answer is I think D only. Success result is return success. Okay, like this, every profile have default log for it will return success or failure for a purpose. Okay, and administration high availability extension, and view high performance extension logging data related application is called my application. I think option is A. A is the option. Log viewer I can include logger. my application. Option is A. Okay, when installing an enterprise application or modules means jar file or ER files, which method to start application or modules automatically assume that node agent server is running by using administration console wizard. Okay, an administration have noticed catastrophic failure in a WebSphere application server. ND was configured in a security audit system, which failure option they can configure to protect the server. Log error option is B. An administrator to set up WebSphere application server ND environment in IBM Cloud, which statement is true, accessing different virtual servers in instances in WebSphere components. This is the answer. Option is B. All VS are created as a part of WebSphere cell topology having public floating IP address. Answer is B. VAS admin command to administrator to locate migrate report of an application. The option is B. Admin task dot get migration report. An administrator want to use different user registry application that use secondary domain but use global security configuration for all other security properties by using enable Java to security and custom domains. An administrator has created Liberty migration report of an application, which administration command can use to retrieve the status of scan, which is get migration status. Option is B. Which how can administrator can manage cache data in dynamic cache? Use dynamic cache, can use cache monitoring application, or we can use the script. This is answer is C. An administration has observed some inconsistent JMS configuration in one of the two WebSphere ND environments. One is dev, another is production. You can assume what property based configuration command they use export configuration into environment by comparing identify different in JMS configuration by using admin task dot admin task dot admin app and admin task admin configuration dot valid configuration properties. Option is A. Here, which option is required to install? Which option is required to install specific WebSphere application server fixes with the installation command? Means install fix. Option is D. Which statement is true about WebSphere application server cluster? Server belongs to cluster member. All identical application component deployed on the means different servers are there. We can deploy the application in different servers. We can federate that. This is okay. Dot slash imcl skip install. In this which file is created or not? Yes, created response file. Created response file. What statement is true? Configure high availability deployment manager and support distributed platforms. What two advantages using asynchronous architecture when designing implementing applications that will install WebSphere application server ND? Option is A and option is D. Monitoring and resource utilization. Must gather trace string can enable debug transformation advisor data collection means collector.sh. Liberty migration report generation by using option is this also migration. I think option is B. I also don't know. Option is B. I'm thinking. Okay, this is file based registry. Okay, file based registry. We have application server repository flexibility, multi-type repository means file based repository. File registry.xml is there, right? That comes under file based. Okay, and WebSphere application server ND type static use fine grained control enable or disable static individually means fine grained means all option is C. An administrator CA signed SSL certificate plugin KDB using administrator console copied plugin key.kdb that WebSphere plugin in the location and restarted web server. Their notice HTTP request is backend application server are falling by using JSK CMD delete default certificate. Answer is B. When configuration is new WebSphere application server ND cell configuration, administrator console statement is true for mapping virtual host modules port number specified virtual host defined as and the access port point. Application answer is B. This is the resource binding purpose. We can use ejb.jar.xml. We can verify that this is undercome web.xml. Answer is A. An administrator want to have control when message driven being start process messages MQ, and in order to complete certain task message handling begins what custom property to use means was was endpoint initial state. Answer is C. When administrator preparing the configuration new WAS 9.0.5 large topology configuration, which two following should be configured turned in ensure optimal performance of a large topology. There is JDBC settings and ORB settings are web container. This and option C and D. They okay. And administrator installing WebSphere application server network deployment by using installation manager to receive prerequisites means CIC overhead CIC or check the disk space will be checked means space is equal to true only. OS prerequisite is also true. Override disk no answer is A. When SPNT console map users in the administrator role is administrative security manager. Only this we can assign the roles. Okay, parent first is the answer. This which class load option ensure when web INF lib property over other classes. There is answer is B parent first. Which true statement are true WebSphere and the collector tools. It will absorb all the server related logs. Okay, option is B is the option and D is the option. Okay, which statement is upgrading WebSphere application server ND. There is answer yeah, updating configuration always run to warning. Okay, answer is A. Which task enable administrator to perform the application update hot deployment by using direct manipulate application server file by using hot deployment means side by side deployment by using jar file can use direct deployment. Okay, one default WebSphere manager key stores. WebSphere key store only manager WebSphere application server key store. Okay, what ways to generate the heap dumps in WebSphere application server ND admin control dot invoke object name and the generate heap dump option is B and is A. Okay, an administrator has created, configured, unmanaged IBM WebSphere and web server outside firewall. WebSphere ND has two statements about true of the configurations. Option is this I don't know. Answer is A and option is C I think. And two administrative objects are validly used by various admin tools, admin task and admin control. Okay, this is questions. Okay, this is the sample questions. It will be like that. I will show you servers. Click particular servers. Click WebSphere application servers. Click particular server. I will show you. Thread pool. Okay, there is session management. Here memory and database is there. You see memory minimum memory session count 1000. Okay, see HTTP only help of cross-site scripting attack. HTTP only. And another thing is monitor and tuning performance, viewer and current activity and shown here. All nodes are up, it will not active. I will start one node. I will start one node. Wait 2 minutes. That is the sample questions. Okay, it will start late, I think. Okay, I will show next class, that is I will show you next class. Okay, this is nothing but sample questions, exam sample exam questions. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe the channel to your friends. Okay, we will come with the next